Alright, Z-Car, this is my post-plenum pull issues I'm having. The MAF is disconnected right now, but in the car. I'm going to start it, let it run, and you'll see it running in safety mode and hear it. It's really loud, got open. I don't even have the cat back on, or the downpipes after on. And then I'll plug the mass airflow sensor in and let it die, and then I'll take another video trying to keep it revving. Here we go.